See, each time you want to edit your video, be it your AI video or your personal video, these are the few things you need to look out for in your video. You really need to add these few things in your video. Even if you do not know how to edit video professionally, but with these few things, it will make your video to look professional, to look catchy. Yes, and attention grabbing. So if this makes sense to you, sit back as we get right into the practical section of the video, which I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how you can edit your video, your AI video, or your personal video like a pro. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also make sure you drop your thoughts in the comments below. Yeah, your thank you is needed. Just tell me thank you in the comment section and try as much as possible to share this video with another creator. So let's get right into the practical section of the video.
Few things you need to add in your video each time you want to edit your video. I'm gonna be making use of CapCut editing app in this tutorial. So these are the few things you need to include or add to your video each time you are editing your video, be it tutorial content or whatever content you are doing, for it to stand out and for it to look professional. First thing first, before you proceed to importing your video, let's assume that you've downloaded your CapCut app and you are in the same page right now where I am, this CapCut interface. So come over here, click this settings icon. Once you click on that settings icon, come over to where you see add default ending. If you toggle it on, that simply means you want that CapCut watermark to always show in your video if you toggle it on. But if you switch it off, it means by default the CapCut watermark will not be showing at the end of your video. So come over to click on new video. Once you click on new video, come over to your gallery, select the video you want to edit. Let's say that this is the video I want to edit. Let me click on it and then add to the CapCut timeline. So I've brought in the video I want to edit to the CapCut timeline. So let me go to the part where the video starts playing. Okay, so I'm going to come over, split on this other part. I'm going to split on the video. So what I did, I click on highlight the video, then I split the video. Once you click on split, you divide the video into two. So I'm going to come over to this other part where I do not want to delete. Now, let's come into the main thing. So first thing first, each time you want to edit your video, I see a lot of people make these mistakes. The first thing you need to do is for you to increase the volume of this video. You will not make a video that we will not hear what you are saying. It's bad. So make sure you increase the volume of your video. Just increase to the end. Okay, once you increase the volume of your video, the next thing you need to do is for you to, if there is any background noise in your video, just click on that video to highlight. Once you highlight the video, scroll to this part, you are going to see where you can be able to delete or take off background noise in your video. You can see in this particular one, reduce noise, it is actually paid. If you click on it with this icon right here, that paid icon on top, is they will not allow you to download the video. Let me show you how you can get it for free. Come over to where you see enhance voice. Do you see enhance voice? If you are using the CapCut latest version, even though it is not paid, you will have access to this enhance voice for free. Click on that enhance voice. Once you click on it, once you toggle it on, just come over here to toggle it on and then increase to the last part, then minimize it. So once you on, you will see in this other part, it's gonna be counting for your voice to be enhanced. Do you understand? With that, it will take off background noise and your voice will be molded, like it's going to be good and clear enough for people to hear you, even though you are not making use of mic. Sometimes I don't use mic in my video, but it will sound as if I'm using mic. That is because I am using enhanced voice. First, you bring in your video, you increase the volume of that video in the initial stage. Very important. Once you increase the volume, make sure you increase the volume first before you enhance the voice. Okay, once you enhance your voice, it will take off background noise and it will make your voice to be clear and loud enough for people to hear you. Let me play for you to see how it is. Let me play for you to listen now.
For research, this is bad, but this is better. For research, this is bad, but this is better.
You can see there is no background noise. Before now, there was background noise in this video, and my voice was not as clear as it is right now. It is because I have enhanced my voice. So the next thing, as I said, is for you to enhance your face, your look. So come over, let me go back, click on the video to highlight, then scroll to adjust. You will see adjust, click on it. It is always free. First thing first, you have to brighten your face, your video. Okay, you have to brighten it. You can see there's a difference between this, you can see, and this, and this. Can you see the difference between this and this? So now, after you adjust that, after you added a little bit of brightness, you come over to saturation, just a bit of saturation, so that your face and your look can pop up, your skin can, yes, pop up. Then once you add a little bit of saturation, you come over, it's not all that you need to add for your video to be flawless. It is not all the adjustment features here that you need to add. It's not all that you need to add. So what I mostly add is brightness, saturation. I will leave brilliance. Let me show you what brilliance will do. And you will not need that, okay? So I'm not gonna add brilliance. I will take it back to 0. Then I'm going to sharpen my look. See the difference now. Can see my look, my face is really popping up. Can see? See there's a difference between this and this. Before now, my face was looking blurry. But okay, can you see it kind of being blurry? But right now, since I'm adjusting, see that. So the next thing you need to add, if maybe when you were filming your video, the temperature, maybe the weather was not really clear enough, or yeah, you can add a little bit of temperature. Can you see this? Can you see? But make sure just a bit of temperature, like 9 or 5 is okay. Can you see? So once you've added that, then you need to add to your video is you need to retouch your face more. You don't have to make a video that people will say, oh, look at dark spots, look at this on her face, on all of that, okay? So you come over to retouch, especially if you're a lady, you have to retouch your face more, just a bit, just small. So you come over, click on retouch, come over to face, only face, okay? So you come over to face, it's going to adjust and then highlight the face, okay, your face, for you to be able to adjust. So you come over to face again. Then if you see all of these 3 uses, free trial, they are not free. If you use any of them, they will demand you to pay or subscribe for maybe free trial, okay, before you can be able to download. And we do not want that. You don't even have to do too much here. So you come over to smooth. You see smooth? Just click on that smooth. That one is free. Okay, there's nothing attached to it. So just a bit, just observe my image right now. Can you see? Let me show you. Can you see? There's a difference between this and this. Just a bit of it. Don't make it too much. The next thing you need to do is for you to whiten your teeth. Let me take this video to the part that my teeth is showing.
For research,
you can see my teeth is showing right here. So let me come over to white teeth. I'm going to click on it. Just observe my teeth right now. Can you see that? There's a difference between this. There's a difference between this and this. Can you see it? So you just whiten your teeth just small. So after that, after you might have adjust your image, maybe then retouch your face a little bit, the next thing you need to add to your video, you don't have to do too much in your video. You don't have to do too much, okay? After that, the next thing you need to do is for you to auto caption your video. Just come over here. You see text? Click on text. Once you click on text, you will see auto caption. Gone are the days that you need to type your text. Now, CapCut has made it easier for you to caption your text by using the auto caption feature. Okay, so once you click on that auto captions, it will auto caption. Click on generate. It will auto caption your text for you. Everything that you said in the video, it will auto caption and generate it for you. So the next thing that you need to do, the only thing you need to do after that is for you to go through it to check if they are accurately spelled. That's why when you are speaking, you need to pronounce the words accurately, correctly, and clear, like clear, loud enough for the software to capture your what you are saying, your voice. Do you understand? You can see generating captions. So let's wait for it to finish. You can see the captions generated. You can see captions generated. What I said has been generated, and this is it. Can you see? For research, this is bad. So for you to be able to see if everything is accurately spelled out, you come over to edit captions. Click on edit captions. Everything that you said is going to display here. So if there is any mistakes, you kindly click on that particular point and then delete. Let me say that maybe bad is not what I wanted to say, or it's not what I said in the video, or maybe it's a mistake. I can just delete it and then put the right thing. Do you understand? So that is how you can caption your video without wasting time. So let's say maybe you want to adjust the text and all of that. You click on style. Once you click on style, you can be able to maybe add the font, choose a specific font. If you are using the free version of your CapCut, go for the one that doesn't come with free trial. Just look for the one that is without any free trial. So for instance, let me click on this block, this particular font that says block. Can see it has changed. And then for style, you can use any color of your choice. Can you see that? Just for you to just navigate, try to play around it. You are going to know how to use it the best way. Okay, so for effect, for instance, let's say maybe you want to use the one that comes with background. Can you see this? Can you see? They are very beautiful. Then for animation, maybe as the text is displaying on the screen, there's how a certain way you want it to display on the screen. You come over to animation. Once you click on animation, do you want your text to jump up? Do you want it to just line up? Do you want it to be as if you are typing? For instance, this one, this snappy pop out. That is how your text will just pop out.
For research, this is bad, but this is better. For research,
Can you see that? It is typing, like it is displaying on the screen as if it is typing. Okay. Then we have bounce colors. So if I
for research, this is bad, but this is better.
can you see that?
For research,
Each of
this
them
is bad, but this is better.
can see each of them with their unique styles and and method of displaying the text. So basically that is that. These are the things that you need to always add in your video each time you want to edit your video. Even though you are not doing too much with this, it will make your video to look professional and catchy enough for your audience, for audience retention. Okay, so that is that. And if you want to add any audio to your video, you come over here to audio, add audio to your video. And if you want to add effect is not really mandatory, but if you want to add, you click on effect and then you start adding different effects to your video. If you want overlay, you can add overlay and all of that. Basically, these are the things really necessary for you to always observe in your video. Another thing is aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is also important. For instance, if you want to switch your video from portrait to landscape, you come over to aspect ratio here. Once you click on aspect ratio, it will display different aspect ratios that you need to use. For instance, here we have 16:9, which is standard aspect ratio. You click on it, you can see it will switch from the normal way portraits, yes, look kind of, to this other landscape. Okay, so that is that. And if you want it to be 1:1, you can see that it is a bit shorter than the 9:16. Okay, so basically that is what is needed each time you want to edit your video to publish, so that you will not end up wasting much time, or you end up adding what or not to add in your video. Okay, so first you increase the volume. Let's just do a little recap before we end the tutorial. So first you import your video to the timeline. After that, you increase the volume of your video. And then after that, you go ahead to enhance your voice so that it's going to be clear enough for people to hear the audio as well. Then after that, you go ahead to enhance your look by brightening it up and sharpen it and also add a little bit of saturation. Then thereafter you retouch your face just a little bit, so that the dark spots on your face or your face can be clear enough. So after captioning your video, you can add audio, and also you can switch your aspect ratio to a particular aspect ratio you want to use. And once you are done with everything, just go ahead to export your video. Now pay close attention. For you to do this, this is just a method. Maybe your video is flawless. Okay, maybe your video there is no problem at all. But if there is problem, maybe the way you want to, maybe in your video there's some certain parts you need to split and cut out, and maybe make sure the first thing you need to do is for you to cut out those unwanted parts, delete them, which I know that part you are aware, you are much aware of that part. But if you need full editing tutorial, just let me know. Drop in the comment section, I need a full tutorial on video editing. I'm going to make full tutorial on that for you. Yes, just for you. Okay, I really hope you found this particular video valuable. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and also make sure you share this particular video with another person. Share it everywhere: WhatsApp status, your IG, your Facebook, wherever, to your community tab as well. Share it and let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. See you in my next video. Goodbye.